What did you get, Brianna? These
Gifts.
are all gifts.
Open.
Okay, see? You see? Who's that from? Okay, who's that from?
Auntie Abby.
Ate Abby. What is that?
Hannah Montana.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Alright. Look, can you look? Hey. What will you say?
Thank you, Auntie Abby.
Thank you. Uh-huh. And what's that?
From Kalista.
From Kalisa. Who's Kalisa, the one? Okay. Let me see. Look at mommy. Okay, we'll just read it later. Look at mommy. What's that?
Notebooks.
Okay, alright.
And
Brush.
brush and eat it.
Okay, Kalisa.
Kalista.
Okay, alright.
Thank you. Let's see. I don't know who gave this one.
Let me see. What is that? Oh, I don't know. That's nice. There's nothing in the card. What's that? Okay, we'll open it later. Okay. All right. That's the other. Come on. Oh, do we have to?
A whole Kramer.
Okay. Let me see. You look at mommy. Let me see. Okay. What's that?
Bag.
Bag. Wow, cute. Hannah. But why are they giving you Hannah Montana? Do they know? Our invitation is not Hannah Montana. Can you look at mommy?
Invitation again.
That's not invitation. Right? Come on, Brianna, look at
Let
mommy.
me use this one.
Yeah, look at mommy first. What's that? Oh.
Jeans
And from whom?
and
From whom?
I don't know. It doesn't have anything. And
Okay.
a shirt.
Alright. Okay. What's that?
This one is
There's-
no name.
No name again. Maybe there's a card.
A Barbie doll.
Okay. Aren't you too big? Maybe Christina. Okay. What's that? Who? Yeah, there is. From Tito Jess.
Shannon and Sean.
Oh, what is that? Nintendo DS. Do we have Carnival?
Nope.
Oh, good. Oh, that's nice. You like that one?
Yep.
All right. All right. I know who gave you that.
Elizabeth.
Oh, it's better, right? And she, oh, thank. All right. All right.
This one.
And then who's that one in the pink bag? Who gave you that? Is there a card?
No.
No.
Body name.
Oh,
name.
okay. Well, okay. I need to cut this one. Happy birthday, baby.